Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk to you guys about turning different things into planners. So this guy right here, super cute guy. I think I like him because I know my daughter likes pigs. Pigs are cute. Anyways, so I was at Hobby Lobby and I saw the pigs. I'm like, oh, so cute. And the one that I happened to grab and look at was missing its wings, and they wanted $18 for this. So I started thinking, you know what, I bet that they'll give me this for a very inexpensive price, and I'm gonna turn it into something beautiful. So I asked, and she said yes, we'll give you 75% off. So I paid $4 for this thing. Oh, and then I tapped it and I said, I think I can drill into this. You hear that? Hollow inside. So I'm going to go ahead and try. I don't know if the drill bit that I have on here is going to work. I'm going to go ahead and try. And if that doesn't work, I will get something else. This drill bit is a cement drill bit. So let's go ahead and give this a try. It's going to be noisy. That part right there where the wings were pretty hard plastic. I wonder if my husband has a smaller one. Finally, after trying all these, I finally got one that is going into the pig. See right there, that little hole? So I'm going to just work my way around that, make little holes in there. Carefully. Woo! And it's in. So I'll just make another one. When I'm doing this, I'm not applying pressure. So just to show you what I'm doing, I just made a bunch of tiny holes right by each other. So I should be able to lean the drill sideways like this. See? And it's gonna... The hole doesn't have to look perfect because your plants will hide all that. If you want, you can probably sand some stuff down. So yeah, you could say, oh, I could have bought a pot already. But I like the idea of saying, well, I'm actually recycling it because it was broken. And I just like the idea of saying I did that. That's a unique pot to me. Nobody's gonna have a pot like this unless they actually do what I just did. Okay, so I wanted to go ahead and show you some of my progress. I could easily right now tap that with a hammer, but I don't want to do that because I'm trying to smooth out the edges as I go with this. I'll show you how I do it. Your hand does start to hurt a little bit. You can take a break if you like. What I'm realizing with my projects and just things in life in general, I've noticed that I'm a pretty patient person. So if you're patient and you just like doing stuff, manual stuff, then you probably won't mind doing this. So what I do is I kind of lean the drill this way, and then I can also lean it this way. So now watch this one. I'll lean this way. And then I'll do it this way as well. And there it goes. So you can smooth out these edges with I think a Dremel, whatever, but kind of works just fine. So if you don't have it, you kind of just leave it there and just kind of put it down. And this is smooth enough. You don't need to make it perfect. As long as you get those little sharp edges out, so there's my hole. This is not sharp. at all. These are not sharp. If you have a Dremel tool, it would probably be better. I don't know if my husband has one, but I just went with something that probably most people might have. So yeah, so let me just go ahead and make drainage here. Put some drainage in this too. And there it goes, guys. Now you have a little cute piggy planter. He's so cute. He's gonna look really nice with a nice packed with plants right here. So cute. Hi. It's got such a cute face. He reminds me of Wilbur. Wilbur. So cute. Honey, what kind of drill bit was this? This one? You don't know if this is for metal or wood?
I can't tell. I told you you got a little tip.
Okay, so look at the tip.
That's wood.
Okay, so this one was wood. So out of all of them, the one that went in finally was this one. The other, this is a cute pot. Super cute. The color, I like it. That I got from Hobby Lobby. It was, their spring stuff is 40% off. So it's $2. And I will do a hole back here with a drill diamond bit. That's what I'll use for that. So that's that. Ruthie, she has her own YouTube channel. I can't recall her name right now, but I'll put it right here. She asked me about the pig arrangement that I made a while back ago, so I'm gonna go show you that right now. My pig, it's been here since I put it together. So she's a pretty big pig. She's the mama pig to the new baby. So she's been doing very well. She'll get a little sprinkle when it rains because I do have an overhang over here, so she does get a little sprinkle. This sleeve is so hard to pull, but overall I think it's doing really well. No direct sun, not even morning sun, just bright light. What you can picture outside to have. This is it. This is the light. There's no sun ever hitting over here. No sun at all. Dog hair inside her, right there. There's a little baby coming out there. It did get, you know, a little bit wet when it was pretty windy. I mean, it's fine. I think it looks good. This little leaf here needs to go because it's not pretty. Oh, and then Maxie whacked it with her tail. Look at that. Look what she did with her tail. She just was whacking it away when I was gonna walk her. She was excited and she's like whacking at it. So anyways, yeah, overall I think it's doing pretty good. I mean, what do you guys think? You guys think it looks good? I think it looks good. I told you this one does very well in just bright lit area. Does not stretch out. Yeah. Okay guys, well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned because I'll be making a potting video of the little piggy planter. Thank you guys. Bye.